Alright, got here a 2020 Polaris Ranger XP 1000 Crew Model Texas Edition. This thing I take back in the trails quite a bit, and finally broke something the other day. Let me show you what I'm talking about. I busted the driver's side brake light out. The plastic cover on there, the light actually still works. Put a little scratch in it. But it's bound to happen. Polaris does recess these inside the plastic quite a bit, but sooner or later something's going to be at the right height and you're just going to bust one out. But it does still work. So you can see the light still functions just fine. It's still red, still works, blinkers still work, but the lens is busted. So I do have this thing tagged where I can drive it on the street, and that would just give them more of a reason to pull me over having a broken lens. So now's a good opportunity to replace those with something else I've been wanting to put on this machine for a while now. So finally got the opportunity to do it. Let me show you what I got. So what I ended up going with was some blacked out, smoked lenses. They are a direct plug and play replacement, so let's get these things swapped out and see what we think of them. So all you need to replace these is a ratchet, quarter drive, 3/8 drive. I'm using my Snap-on 3/8 drive stubby ratchet, and a 10mm socket. There's 2 bolts, one above the tailgate holder, tailgate leveler cable, and one below it. One. And 2. All you gotta do is pull this thing straight out, lift up on that plug tab, and pop it right out. And we're ready to go in with the new one. Install just as easy. Plug that in. Fit it up in the machine where it goes and put the 2 bolts in. Alright, let me get these tightened up and we'll see what it looks like. Alright, they're installed. They don't look too bad. I actually like the way they look. They go good with that paint scheme of the Texas edition. They turned out pretty nice. The fitment was good. I did purchase these on Amazon. I don't know, they go with it pretty good. I'll show you just a remembrance of what the factory looks like. Okay, there's the factory red lens on it. And the smoked one. Turned out pretty good. Let's see what they look like. Well, it's as simple as that. If you like the product or found any of the information helpful, if you would, give the video a thumbs up. And we'll see you in the next one.